As of July 17, we have 15 inquiries and they have 7 convert to sales. Here is na-convert po ng sales. Na-convert po siya ng sales. For inquiries, na-convert po to ng sales. And here is for quotation na po. Na-convert po ng sales. And here is na-convert din po ng sales. Na-convert din po to ng sales. Convert to sales. For inquiries. For inquiries. For inquiries din po. And for payment na lang po si sir. Si ma'am din, for payment na lang. Nag-send na siya ng PO niya. Si ma'am for inquiries. And si sir for inquiries din po. Salamat.